Hey guys, it's Jordan with Florida Drone Supply, and today we're unboxing the all-new Autel Alpha. We are so excited to be the only ones with our hands on this aircraft so far, and even more excited to show you what it can do. This is a powerful and versatile drone that's perfect for a variety of applications. Right in the front, we have a couple of latches to keep that case locked and secure. So let's pop those open and look inside. Inside, you'll find the following items: the drone, the Smart Controller V3, the L35T camera payload, spare propellers, 2 batteries, a battery charger, the cleaning kit, a charger for the Smart Controller, the USB-C cables and adapters, the screwdriver, and the manual. And there you have it. There's everything that comes with the brand new Autel Alpha. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or give us a visit at floridadronesupply.com. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below for more in-depth content like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and happy flying.